If you're seeing the OneDrive login error that says too many requests, don't worry. This usually happens when Microsoft detects too many sign-in attempts in a short amount of time. In this video, I'll show you the easiest fixes step by step so you can get back into OneDrive quickly and safely. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech fixes just like this. First, the most important thing to understand is that this error is often temporary. Microsoft may place a short sign-in limit on the account to protect it from repeated login attempts. So before you start changing settings, the best first step is to close the OneDrive tab completely and wait about 10 to 15 minutes. After that, open OneDrive again and try signing in one more time. In many cases, that alone is enough to fix the issue. If the error is still showing, the next thing to check is your date and time settings. A wrong clock or incorrect time zone can sometimes interfere with Microsoft sign-ins. To fix that, right-click the clock on your taskbar and choose Adjust Date and Time. Then turn on Set Time automatically and also turn on Set Time Zone automatically. Once that's done, restart your browser and try signing into OneDrive again. This is a very quick fix, but it often solves hidden login problems. Now, if you're still getting the same error, try opening OneDrive in a private window. If you're using Chrome, press Ctrl, Shift, and N at the same time to open an incognito window. Then visit OneDrive and sign in there. Private windows start with a cleaner session and can help bypass saved browser issues that may be causing the login error. Another very effective fix is clearing your browser cache. Over time, old cookies and stored site data can get in the way of Microsoft login pages. To do this, in Chrome, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete. In the menu that appears, select All Time as the time range. Then check cookies and other site data and cached images and files. After that, click Delete Data. Once the cache is cleared, go back to OneDrive and try signing in again. If none of those steps work, try a different browser. Sometimes the problem is specific to one browser session or one browser profile. Open Microsoft Edge or Firefox, go to OneDrive, and attempt to sign in there. If it works in another browser, then the issue is likely related to the original browser rather than your Microsoft account itself. For most web users, the fastest and most reliable fix is simply waiting 10 to 15 minutes before trying again. That's because this error is usually caused by temporary rate-limiting on-sign-in requests. In other words, OneDrive is not necessarily broken. It just needs time to reset the login limit. So to recap, the best order is: wait a few minutes, check your date and time, try a private window, clear your browser cache, and test another browser if needed. One of these steps almost always resolves the problem. If this video helped you fix the OneDrive login error, please give it a like and subscribe for more easy troubleshooting guides. And if you want, I can also help you with the next step by showing you how to fix OneDrive sync errors, account sign-in loops, or other Microsoft login problems. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.